Today we'll discuss what is event. What is event? What do you mean by event? ये प्रोबेबिलिटी का इवेंट है. जैसे हमको पता है क्वेश्चन है कि टॉस से कॉइन twice. What is the sample space will come? Head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail. Then what is the event? Simple concept is here. Suppose E is the event, that is exactly two head will come. Two head occurred. Exactly two head occurred or obtained. So that means, so E is the come, that is a head only. Yet, so what is the definition of event? That is a subset of sample space. Subset of a sample space, simple concept. So event is a subset of a sample space. Then what is subset? That means every element of the event is present in the sample space. That is subset. So here E is a subset of a sample space. So that's why E is an event. E is an event. ये इवेंट है. Similarly, you can say another event, that is F, that is at least one head of 10. At least one head of 10 means that is two head will come, one head will come. That is it. See here, this head or head tail or tail head. Okay, these three elements are present in the sample space. और ये sample space का element है इधर. So this is the subset of a sample space. So that's why event is the subset of a sample space. Simple concept. And what is at least? At least the concept, that is minimum. That is greater than equal to. Or at most, that is the maximum, which is less than equal to. Which is less than equal to. This is the vital concept. Now, what is the types of event? What are the types of event? Event कितना टाइप का है? ये है इवेंट है. इवेंट सिंपल इवेंट एक है, कॉम्प्लेक्स इवेंट एक है, श्योर इवेंट एक है, और इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट और नॉल इवेंट एक है. So now we'll discuss the types of the event. Types of events. First, sure event. What is a sure event? Means possible event also. If event is equal to sample space, that means sample space is equal to subset of a sample space. So itself is a subset. If it is subset, that is called sure event. So event is equal to sample space. If you take the example, toss a coin twice. So what is the sample space? Head will come, head tail will come, tail head will come, tail will come. So event telling that at least one head or two tail, exactly two tail. What the value will come? That is the head tail will come, head tail will come, tail head will come, and tail will also come. That means this is equal to sample space, which is a subset of a sample space. So that's why this event is called sure event or possible event. Then what is the impossible event or null event? Impossible event. Or null or empty event. That is also called phi. Event is equal to phi that have a no element, which is also subset of a sample space that have a no element. Event having no element. Having no element. That means you can take one example. I will say that is it is a null or sure. Now roll a die or dice once. But the sample is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the sample space. What is the event? Event is that. Event that is a multiple of 7. The digit multiple of 7. That means having no elements. That is equal to 5, which is a subset of a sample space. That's why it is the example of a null set or empty event, or it is also called impossible event. Impossible event. Now comes to that is what is a simple event. Simple event क्या है? जिसका एलिमेंट एक है उसको सिंपल इवेंट बोलेंगे, जिसका एलिमेंट ज्यादा है उसको कॉम्प्लेक्स इवेंट बोलेंगे. That is the concept. So what is that means what here? Simple event or elementary event. What the definition? An event E is said to be or called the simple event if it has only one sample point or element of the sample space. Only one element. Take the example. Toss a coin twice. What the sample space? Head will come, head tail will come, tail head will come, tail will come. That means if the event that is exactly 2 head of 10, 2 head of 10. That means what the value comes? That is the head. Head means that is a single element is there. That means this is a single element. So if it is single element, only one element, so that's why it is called simple event. If more than one element is there, that is a compound event or composite event. More than one element is there. So then another example, if you want to say, if the example, suppose exactly two tail, that is the only tail will come. That is called simple event. Now the definition of a compound: any event What is compound event? Any event having more than one sample point or element is called compound event. Take the example. Toss a coin twice. What the sample space? Head will come, tail will come, head will come, tail will come. Event that is at least one tail of 10. That means tail will come, head will come, tail will come. That means this event having three elements. So that's why the example of a compound event. You can say another. At most, 2 head of 10. 2 head of 10. That means 2 head means head tail हो, tail head होगा और tail होगा और head will come. At most 2 head means you can say 0 head, 1 head or 2 head. So that's why this is the example of a compound event. Also, this is one example of a shear event. This is also example of a shear event. So now it is a compound event. So you can say now discuss about some algebraic concept of probability. Now discuss some algebra of events or properties of events. What is complementary events? For every event A, there corresponds another event A complement or a dash or a complement or not A, called the complementary event to A. That means you can say symbolically you can say a complement or a C or this negation of A, or you can say that is a not A, whatever. You all are same. Example, if you can take, that actually is equal to what? Sample space minus A. Sample space minus A means you can say that is equal to omega such that omega is belongs to omega is not does not belongs to or belongs to a complement, and that means omega such that omega does not belongs to A. Simple funda you can say, take the example, toss a coin twice. What the sample space? Head will come, tail will come, head will come, tail will come. So event is equal to, suppose A is the event. So event that is a, suppose exactly 2 tail. That means tail will come. What is A complement? That is S minus A, means you can say S area, that means head tail head will come. This is A complement or not A, or whatever concept is there. This is a complement of A. This is a complement of A. So now comes to another properties of the the event A or B means it is called either A or B. So that is A union B. A union B, that is a omega such that omega is belongs to A or omega is belongs to B. So you can take the example, roll a die or dice once. What the sample space? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The event E is equal to, that is the odd number, that is equal to 1, 3, 5. Event F is equal to prime number, that is equal to 2, 3, 5. So E or B, F, that is equal to 1, 3, 2 and 3, 5. That is the E or B, F, 1, 2, 3, 5. Now another, that is the event A and B will come. Now come to event A and B, that is both A and B, that is the common element, A and B. If A and B is equal to 5, that is disjoint. So here A and B is X, so that is the omega such that omega is belongs to A and omega is belongs to B. That is common element. Roll a die. So what is the sample space? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So E is the event odd number 1, 3, 5. F is the event that is prime number, that 2, 3, 5. Then what is E intersection F? E intersection F is equal to the common here 3 pi, common is a 3 pi. The 3 pi is the common. So that is a intersection F. Now comes to a difference of A. That is event A but not B, means A minus B, which is equal to A intersection B complement. That means you can say A minus B is equal to omega such that omega is belongs to A but omega does not belongs to B. Does not belongs to B. Now take the example. That example say roll a die once, sample space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the event odd number 1, 3, 5. F is the event prime number, that 2, 3, 5. What is E minus F? E minus F means simple 1, means only delete the joint, there are common terms or common numbers, you have to delete one. So F minus E, what the value comes? Simple 2 value will come. Only common value you deleted from F. Here deleted from 3, 5. Here deleted from 3, 5. That is only 2. That is only 1. So that's why that is A में है, B में नहीं है. A में है, B में नहीं है. Does not belongs to. A में है, B में नहीं है. So that's why you can say diagrammatically, you can say this is A, this is B, A, B. So A minus B is equal to this. This is equal to A minus B. If you want to say B minus A is equal to what? So B minus A is equal to this. This is B minus A. This is B minus A. That means A minus B का मतलब है A में है, B में नहीं है. B minus A का मतलब है B में है, A में नहीं है. ये है concept है. So then next comes to the algebra of the events now completed. Algebra of event now comes to mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive event क्या है? Two events E1, E2 are associated with a sample space S. are said to be mutually exclusive events if they do not occur simultaneously. Do not occur simultaneously. At a time वो नहीं आएगा. If E1 intersection E2, that means E1 intersection E2 is equal to I. ये दोनों डिस्टेंट होगा तो हम म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव बोल सकते. So that means whenever mutual exclusive concept will come, that means the events are different. Events are different. So similarly, take the example that is a roll a die or dice once. What the sample space comes, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So event that is equal to odd number, that is 1, 3, 5. Event that is equal to even number, 2, 4, 6. So you can say E intersection F that is equal to having no element or phi. So that's why it is E and F are called mutually exclusive. E and F are called mutually exclusive here. ये दोनों है mutually exclusive. क्यों? Is equal to phi. Now comes to mutually exhaustive. What is mutually exhaustive? That means if sum is equal to sample space, then that's why the events are called mutually exhaustive. Here that is exhaustive and mutually exhaustive. Two events E1 and E2 associated with the sample space S are said to be mutually exhaustive if U1 union U2 is equal to sample space. That means दोनों का sum or operations comes sample space. That means here roll a dice once, sample space will come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So event you take that is odd number 1, 3, 5. Event you take that is even number 2, 4, 6. So the operation comes or operation E union F that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means that is the total sample space comes. So that's why E and F are, so E and F are called exhaustive event. Exhaustive event. Similarly, you can say also, suppose let E1, E1, E2, E3, dot, 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 En, if they are exhaustive, then its sum is equal to sample space. That means E1 union E2 union dot 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 union En is equal to sample space. Then E1 E2 dot 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 En are called exhaustive event. Then what is the mutually exclusive as well as exhaustive? Means this is how here E intersection F is equal to phi and E union F is equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that sample space. So E and F are called mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. Exclusive as well as exhaustive event. In next video, we will discuss axiomatic approach to probability, classical approach to probability, empirical approach to probability. So if you clear about the events and further more video, for more video, please share and subscribe my channel. Okay, and give some support by giving some comments. If you want to ask some question, then please send to the send to my email whatever question is present in your hand. I will reply definitely. Thank you. Thank you.